folks, welcome to my channel, and today we have a 2020 Hyundai Accent and we are going to do the front pad on it. Uh, Make sure the rear wheels are chalked, this side and also other side, and also always use the jack stand for the safety purpose. So I have put the floor jack under the frame bar. So make sure you put wherever like it is able to support it, and also after that I'm going to remove that brake fluid reservoir to release the pressure. And while I'm pushing the piston, if you see that that is coming out, so it should kind of a little bit like spill over here or is coming more, then you have to take some out with the using the turkey baster. But right now I'm just kind of leaving it like that and putting a rag around it, so if it overspills it does not damage any body parts. And now so this side also I have that jack stand, and here now I'm going to open the lug nuts, and that takes a 21 millimeter socket. And now this is the passenger side, so I also turn the wheel on my side to get better access. So first of all we are going to just put the flathead and just like pull it towards your side so the piston moves back a bit and gives you some more room so you can easily take it out. Now again 14. And this time I'm going to use this hook instead of the bungee cord. Same thing, same concept. They're okay. Removing the old pads now. Before that, let me remove that pins. Remember, we are saving them because the new ones, they did not come with those new clips. I don't know why. Usually they provide that, but sometimes, yeah, that's okay. We're gonna use those. And now that's the reason it was making lots of noise, because there's no beef left on it. It was literally metal to metal. I hope it has not damaged the rotor too much. So same way, let's push the piston back. So push it slowly. Just keep rotating it until it bottoms out. like so. And let's put some silicone spray. And now let it hang there for now. It's safe. Let's check the condition of those ones. That's okay. But I'm still gonna put some more lubricant on it. It's not the lubricant, it's the special grease. It's called the caliper grease. It's a high temperature one. Never put the regular grease on top of those parts. Let's clean this up. And I'll put new grease on it. Don't put too much. Perfect. Now, again, clean this part because on top of it your new clips gonna reside, so they have to be cleaned up. And you're gonna put the new clips. Just gonna put a little bit of grease. So they don't fall down. Like that. And this one, it has the wear indicator, so it goes inside, inner side. Just make sure you put some grease on the top of the ears and some here to make it quiet. Like so. Do the same with the outside pad. And there you go. So also put some on top of this. It will make it quieter. Make sure the clips are not touching. They are not. Now, again, I'm gonna put that to hold it. Okay. So put the clips, those pins, one here. So what they do is that, like when you press them, when you press the brake pedal, so piston pushes that, right, and the pads kind of just they are pushed inward, and after that, when you release the brake pedal, so these one kind of maintain like pushing them like back. That's the purpose of these ones. Okay, now these are okay. That's okay. Push them a little bit that side, and now I'm gonna put it on back and make sure it's not kinked or something. You have to be careful about it. Like so, just put the top bolt so that it holds it in place. And now you can slowly remove that and then push it down. Make sure like this clip and those clip, they're still intact. They are not loose or they're not wobbling or something like that. Just make sure that. And now you can put the lower bolt on. And as I said, the torque setting for these ones is 22 foot-pound. So I have set them 22. Okay, now we have to straighten the wheel. Straighten this part in order to put the wheel back in. Slowly move like that. And also it's a good idea to clean the hub. And also put some NECs. Too much of it. Just very fine coat. Like so. Clean this. So now the time to, okay, so just see, it's quiet. Nothing is touching. So you have to make sure like none of the bracket inside is touching the rotor, which is not. So that's good sign. Okay, well, maybe next time we need to replace the rotors as well. Sure. Okay, now we're done that side. So let's put the wheel back. So start with the fingers to make sure they are threading perfectly. And now you can use the impact wrench. First of all, the lower speed. Now the middle speed. So that's all for now. So now we have to remove the, just raise the jack first and then lower it, remove the jack stand, remove the wheel chocks, and then also check for if there's any spillage on the reservoir. Hopefully there shouldn't be. And then we're going to torque those to 81 foot-pound. This side on that side. Those torque for the lug nuts are 81 foot-pound. Okay, let's check the level. Oops, it's on the top, but it's not spilling, so that's good. So just tighten it. Got that rag back. Okay, so now 80 foot-pound. Wheels are down. Okay, so we're going to do the same thing on the other side, and we're done now. And remember to remove wheel chocks from both sides, and also always pump the brake 4-6 times slowly before you drive it. That's very important. Like that.